let me take the pleasure to welcome you and all. And it's my privilege that you are giving a opportunity to me to come out with my experience and help those people who are farming their professional life and are at the lower platform. Lower platform to begin with. Here I am trying to talk the role of the HR professional to make a disciplined life during and after the corona, even changing to the lifestyle. Why I am saying? Because HR is the process owner of culture, tradition and practices being exercised in the organization. They set the policy, culture, and there is one word, cultural transformation. Who is the owner of cultural transformation? HR. HR department, HR domain is the responsible for the cultural overhauling, cultural change needed and suited to the people and the organization made by those pool of people. Corona is going on. Whatever the way corona is hitting the life, puzzling the life, pestering the life of people is in front of you. In India itself, if I take the toll of today, 26th June 2020, then according to the news, around 17,000 new corona patients, positive patients crops up. This is the speed. 400, 430, 450 people are dying. This is the statistics given in the news. Being said by me, I am sure that this data will match to them. What HR does? Now what HR accept the challenges set in the outside social life, personal life of the people, and modulates the working environment to suit the changing culture of people. Now, for human protection, adherence of personal protective equipments are made compulsory. पैंट शर्ट पहनो या ना पहनो, उसको तो पहनना पड़ेगा, और पैंट और शर्ट के ऊपर पहनना पड़ेगा. So your lifestyle will change. मास्क लगाना पड़ेगा, नोज एंड माउथ को कवर करना पड़ेगा. वाइल एट होम और वाइल एट जॉब नहीं करोगे तो कौन कॉल लेगा? HR प्रोफेशनल. सैनिटाइजर से आपके हाथ को धोना है, सोप से आपके हाथ को हर 2 घंटे में 1 घंटे में धोना है तो धोना है, अदरवाइज HR विल इशू द लेटर. आपको लूक वार्म वाटर पीना है तो पीना है, आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है. सो लाइफ स्टाइल चेंजेस. आप होटल बहुत जाते थे, अब आपको होटल में जाने के लिए ढेर सारे कंपल्सन्स हैं, उसको पूरा करना पड़ेगा. यू विल गेट इरिटेटेड, सो योर लाइफ स्टाइल विल चेंज. यू विल ईट एवरीथिंग calling it from the market or from hotel at your place comfortably. 2 गज की दूरी हर एम्प्लॉय को मेंटेन करना है, हर इंसान को मेंटेन करना है. बट द टॉपिक इज HR रोल, सो आई एम लिमिटेड टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ अर्लियर कंधे पे हाथ रख के एक एम्प्लॉय दूसरे एम्प्लॉय से बात करता था, पास चलता था. अभी 2 गज की दूरी मेंटेन करना है. तो हु इज द प्रोसेस ओनर? HR इज द प्रोसेस ओनर इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दे विल इशू द लेटर, दे विल टेक द कॉल, दे विल काउंसिल. द वे यू एग्री दे विल डू ऑल दिस थिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग डायरेक्टली डंडेबाजी, बट काउंसलिंग भी करेंगे, प्यार से समझाएंगे भी, हर चीज करेंगे भी. लंच के समय एक दूसरे के डिब्बे में से लेके खाना. नाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, लव एंड अफेक्शंस related things, scenario will change. Each employee will sit maintaining the gap. They will have the PPE के द्वारा जो शू को कवर करने के लिए होता है उसको अधर करना पड़ेगा वर्क प्लेस पे. सो role of the HR during this corona, after corona, post corona will change drastically. And going few points ahead based upon my practical talent and my practical approach, I will say that corona life-taking bacteria is not to be cared by HR person only. Rather, it should be in the individual leadership quality. Individual leadership. For the sake and benefit of the personal life of each individual concerned, we should accept the change, and life model, life style should be changed to face the problems cropping up, coming up in the open society due to corona. Don't make responsible only to HR person. At the end of the day, HR is also human being. Somewhere, somehow, negligency, as negligency comes because of you, because of your approach, sometimes you have. So, don't make any person responsible. I am saying, you forget the HR. Your father is also not responsible if anything goes wrong. Your parent, your mother is also not responsible, though they are the most and first supervisor to supervise you, but they are also not responsible. According to me, I have to manage my affair, and I have to watch the affair of my family members, family people. Expect a different kind of the disciplined life. It was said that sometimes we waste the time in meeting, chatting, coughing up, masti, loose talk, sitting with the friends. Now all these things will automatically be redesigned, and you have to follow the new lifestyle. Otherwise you will be forgetting yourself. You will putting yourself in trouble. The same thing will cost much more in the organization in the form of accident or negligence towards corona implementation, towards corona careless, towards corona care. So don't expect any person, any professional friend, any professional person, any professional body, any professional organization that they held responsible. Having said, again I will say that yes, they are responsible, but they are not as responsible as you are responsible for your own safety and security. Please take a call. Please live with your dreams, live with your better life, live with your beautiful life, live with your life is full of charm, full of pleasure. Live and let other also live based upon your guidance. Having all these things, I will summarize saying that yes, somebody should be held responsible. So HR is responsible. I am not differing from that. But losing the life and enjoying the life, it comes at the state that each individual is responsible. Will you please take the call? It is your call. It is my call. It is personal call, and make the life better than what we dream always. Thank you very much. Do take care of yourself, and we will meet sometimes in future. Until then, you please take care of yourself. Namaskar.